on it. Okay, next question is from Carlene Marie. She says, I offer a free monthly migraine class, Migraine Alignment Collective, designed to transform pain through body, mind, soul integration and sacred storytelling. It's building very slowly. I'm wondering if paying to advertise a free offering makes sense.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, it depends what it leads to. So this sounds like a marketing question, but it's really a business model question, because if the free offering, it depends how well that free offering does. This is where you really have to get into the metrics and the numbers of things. For example, if you have a free quiz and use for every 100 people that sign up for it and therefore are on your list, 10% of people then take some next step. That's different than if it's 50%, that's different than if it's 1%, you know. It's so before you spend money on it, make sure it's working, make sure it does the job, make sure it's leading people step by step. Because let's just imagine it's good to start with what you really want. So if what you really want is to be working with people one-on-one, that's one thing. But we start with the sort of premium level, the meaning the thing we want to spend most of our time on. So that could be one-on-one coaching. This could be a mentorship where it's a very small group coaching over time. It could be a membership where it's much larger group subscription service. This could be a school where you take people through a curriculum over time, whatever is the thing you're aiming at. So let's just say in this case, you're aiming at one-on-one work with people ongoingly. Well, then the question is, how do we get people into that? How do we get people into the one-on-one coaching? So there's a free offer. Now, is the free offer likely to get people directly into one-on-one coaching? Probably not. But this is where we have to think through the structure. So if it was a free, assessment, and that introduced people to a free monthly or quarterly webinar, or to a starter kit type thing where it's, hey, here's 2 or 3 hours of footage of me talking about this stuff in depth. And this then introduces, hey, there's a free monthly call you can join to get questions answered. Here's my YouTubes, and but then they're on your email list, and then they're available for your offers, and but it's important to be tracking how many people are joining your email list, how many of those people are signing up for your things, to make the determination of, is this worth it to spend money? If the free lead magnet isn't doing the job, don't spend money on it. If it's doing the job, then you can almost throw unlimited amounts of money at it, because it's, until you're full, and then you stop. But as long as it's working, if you spend $1 on the lead magnet and it brings you $2, got borrow money, max out your credit card. Like if that's what it does, great. And of course, there may be an upper limit of how much money you can even make given your business model. But fundamentally, if it's working, yes. And there's no easy answers to that. There really just is some number crunching that you have to do. And I would recommend talking with somebody like Ross O'Loughlin with conversionengineering.co. And he can help you figure out the mechanics and next steps of that.
Okay, thanks, Ted. Colleen, I hope that helps. Let us know what you come up with in the Facebook group.